Hey folks, welcome back to my new video. So today in this video we are going to cover all about the basics of the Power BI and concepts of the Power BI. Everything we are gonna cover in this video. So if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's see about the concepts. Okay, so we are going to cover in this video the three questions as what is Power BI and what is the use of the Power BI and why Power BI and not Tableau, and what is the difference between the Excel and the Power BI. Okay, so we will cover one by one. Okay, so basically if we talk about what is mean by the Power BI, so basically Power BI is a data visualization tool which helps us to visualize our data using the data. Your data will be in the form of the Excel sheet or in the SQL, in the Azure, or anything will be your data. You can simply pull out your data through the SQL or the Azure or the Excel or the any form of the data. You can simply pull out into the Power BI and simply you can visualize your data, okay, using the Power BI tool. Okay, so basically that is the use of the Power BI. Okay, you can make a dashboards. Okay, and if we talk about why we have to use the Power BI, okay, so basically the reason is that if we talk about the statistics, okay, recently that is uploaded. So basically if we talk about the statistics, so here we can see clearly that the Microsoft is leading the market and he is the leader of the market. Okay, so here this all are like the Telios or the Tableau or the Google or the Demo. Okay, that all are leading well, but the Microsoft is at the top. Okay, so Microsoft is the at the top. And if we talk about why we have to use the Microsoft Power BI, okay, so we are seeing from the past years that Microsoft is a company which is trusted and which is too much good company and we can trust on it. And because some reasons we use the Microsoft Power BI. Okay, so it is too much good and it has some features that in the Tableau there is no there in the Tableau. Okay, so if we talk about what is the difference between the Excel and the Power BI, okay, so basically if we talk about the difference between the Excel and the Power BI, so difference is like in the Excel you have limitations to visualize your data and you can't visualize your data properly in the Excel, and in the Power BI you can. Okay, so basically the Power BI is made properly to visualize your data. Okay, so basically Power BI is a powerful tool using which you can make a powerful amazing dashboards, data visualizations, anything you can make using the Power BI. Okay, if you want to know that how to install the Power BI, recently we have uploaded a video on the Power BI that how to install the Power BI. Here you can check out the video guys. Okay, let's see you in the next video guys.